All right, here we go. We're going to set up this S-4 to run 2.5 pounds. Quickly, I'm using food grade wood pellets for barbecue because that's the closest thing I had to coffee beans. What I'm going to try here is my smaller gate. This is the larger gate. It allows less material to come through, and a small spout for if you're using small bags. By the way, this is the part that was bad. It was the load cell. All right, here we go. We are going to have to guess on everything here. Right in the main menu, if you hit, let's see, it looks like is there something in there? Okay. Hold on to that when you do that because that's connected to the load cell. So I'm going to tear that. Number 1 tears. 2 goes into setup, and we're going to edit this job. So press number 1. I've got my bulk cut set at 2 pounds. Bulk speed 80 dribble. That is when it slows down. So at 2.25 pounds, it's going to slow down to 56% instead of the 80%. And our target weight is 2.48. That should give us the 2.5 pounds, hopefully. This light is connected to a high, so if it's over 2.55 or under, it's going to give you a red light. If it's very close, it's going to give you a green light. And we are going to recheck low at, let's see, 2.4. Let's say 2.48 probably. Okay, so let's try this and see what it does. It may go way over, it may not. And it went way over. So 2.9, so we need to do something there. Go back to setup, edit this job. Let's slow down number 1 to about 1.8 pounds and try that. Okay. Go to home, go to setup, edit this job. It's running over. So our target, everything is fine. Let me see. Let's go dribble cut. Let's turn that to 2 pounds and see what we get. Okay, going over, but not quite as bad. Let's see, let's try 1.75 on the bulk cutoff and see what that does. Still going over. So what I'm going to do is slow down the dribble to a 40%. Okay, and that did it. We have 2.50. So 2.5 pounds. 2.492, that's acceptable to me anyway. If for some reason the 2.49 wouldn't work for you, you can reach up here and touch a couple of coffee beans and bam, 2.50 on the dot. So just so you know, I'm sure you do that already. Okay, so now we've got it set up for 2.5 pounds. It's running really quick. Let me get my phone out and see how fast that is. All right, let me dump this. You want to kind of hold on to that pretty tight if you ever do that, because if you tweak this, that load cell back there will get broke again. It's pretty resilient, but I did have to replace it. I probably bumped it or something. All right, here we go. So we're going to hit this and we're going to hit start. Okay, 12 seconds. Whoa. So we got 12 seconds for 5 pounds. 36, I think there's 3,600 seconds in an hour divided by 12. So that's 300 5-pound bags an hour. So you'll be able to move. I got it smoking fast. You might have to adjust it slightly depending on how the beans fall in the unit. But other than that, this baby is ready to go. There's that load cell in there. I'll go ahead and take that off, and all you have to do is put that back on. There's a couple of little straps that are required to hold down the wiring right here and here and here, and there's some split loom that's down there on the floor that'll go around that just to keep that wire out of place. But as you can see, everything's nice and clean. Well, except for some residue. Now I'll blow all that off. And there's the top of the hopper, and she is good to go.